We're in Wadi Rum, considered as one of the driest deserts. So we're in Jordan, an early morning walk. We are given information or lecture on history of the Arab world. Quite interesting, you know. A fellow tourist who is an Iraqi, but who is now living in Germany, married to a German. We're in a sunrise area overlooking the vast Jordanian desert. Some unique adventure go here, no? In Jordan, more or less more tolerant country. It's just beside is the state of Israel. You have a lot of tourists here. So this is totally different experience to visit the Arab world, to experience their culture, the environment, the food, the people. This is our first visit, no, to the Arab world. I think more to come. I want to go to Morocco in Africa, and probably if the war will subside, visit Israel. We walk for I think more than, oh, the sunset is sunrise, no? Sunrise. Very nice. Huh? RJ. Ayan, no?